Hi, today I'll be showing you this product that will save you time, money, and a much healthier way for you to look more beautiful. As you know, running Beauty Recipe Aesthetics and Academy, I have been doing eyelash extension non-stop for almost 10 years now, until the discovery of this latest magnetic eyelash. I love eyelash extensions, don't get me wrong, but if there are more options, why not? Like other fake lashes, magnetic lashes complements the natural beauty of the eye shape. So people who dislike wearing makeup or have allergies to cosmetics will definitely benefit from magnetic eyelash. They can give you a finished look that are so easy to apply. No mascara, no curlers, no magnetic eyeliner required for these. They are much more hygienic as they do not require the application of glue, which may lead to infection as most adhesive glue contains formaldehyde and various chemicals. I could only use special eyelash glue at Beauty Recipe that is formaldehyde free when I did my extensions. I remember waking up with eye poop stuck on my lashes in some mornings, and it's so difficult to clean it off. Dirt and makeup also get stuck on my extensions as well. Due to my sensitive eyes, I rub so very often when I have extensions on as well. Put on eyelash including eyelash extension can damage or rip the natural lashes over time. It can also increase airflow around the eye, which may lead to dry eyes. Magnetic eyelash are safer, cleaner, and of course a much more fuss-free version of traditional falsies. Unlike traditional falsies that contains and requires glue, they can be reused over and over again for up to 200 times. It is so comfortable and easy to put on, which I will show you in a little bit. I can remove it anytime to let my natural lashes have a rest when I don't need to wear them. For many months, I have been trying out different types of magnetic lashes that I could get my hands on from online. Let me show you. Some of them looks really messy and the lashes are all over the place. Most of them didn't work at all because they drop too easily. I have some of them that is so difficult to put on and it's taking too much time having to redo it again and again. Some of their magnets are also either too big or stuck on a really uncomfortable angled position when I'm putting them on. Most of these lashes I bought online are made by synthetic fibers or silk lashes, so it felt kind of plastic, hard and heavy, making it very uncomfortable to wear. Some of them may not be using a soft band, which is the part that is holding the lashes together, and making the entire lash out of plastic. Therefore, it could be much stiffer, harder to apply than those made with softer materials such as cotton band, which I will be showing you in a little bit what a cotton band is. Oh my, it's really a case of trial and error. At Beauty Recipe Aesthetics and Academy, we have trained more than 4,000 students worldwide for over 30 countries, and we are proud to manufacture our own high-quality mink lashes for our eyelash extensions that hair are as natural as your own, even finer actually. Because of their fineness and similar properties to human lashes, mink lashes are an ideal material for making natural lashes and add beautiful looking volume. So we also manufacture our very own eyelash extension glues that are formaldehyde free to be safe for the eyes. I thought to myself, I will do all it takes to custom make our own magnetic eyelash with high quality mink fur lash that could not only hold its shape and curl but also be much lighter and more comfortable to wear. I had the lash factory that worked with me for months and months and months until we finally get the recipe right with the right materials, lashes, magnets and angles to work for the magnetic lashes, so it can be worn for the whole day without feeling any discomfort. Ta-da! This would be better than any eyelash extensions. Today, I'm so excited to be here on YouTube to share with you this new generation of magnetic eyelash that finally worked. Let me show you how to put these on. This is how it looks like. We made two styles, one natural and one much more dramatic. Let's put on the more natural one first. This is a pair of the Handmade Natural Style Premium Mink Magnetic Eyelashes. Remove one side of the lashes from the box. Use your fingers to hold on to both sides where the two magnets are. By using a twisting motion, you will release the magnet by sliding it. Do not tear it apart like these. Don't worry if you did it wrong and the lashes go out of place. You can simply use your fingers or a tweezer to pull the lashes back into place easily. This is how you hold on to the clipper in your hands so you can open and close it easily. Let's put on the lashes on the top of the application clipper. Make sure the flat part of the magnet is facing out and the lashes are facing inwards as shown in the video. Now turn over and place the bottom lash with the magnet plate facing out, and the bottom lash should be curling upwards as shown. You can turn the clipper to the side and check that both lashes are in the direction that they would curve upwards when it is being clipped on. Look at the ends of the lashes on the side. With the shorter lashes should be the one that you place at the corner of the eyes. Push gently at the top. So push gently the top part of the clipper to the eyelid and lift your eyelid upwards with it lightly. You can then clip on as close to your lashes as you can. That's so easy. Now the other side. That's so easy, took me merely a few seconds. Now, let's try to put it through a windproof test. This is a super hair dryer. And now I'm gonna I put it on the highest speed and it's still there and really secure. It's not falling out and it has not shifted its place. Okay, I fixed my hair, so my hair is flying all over the place but not my lashes. Anyway, the final verdict. We are saving money and the average cost of these little ones are going online for around $50 to $100, which will be somewhat what you are paying for a single eyelash extension sessions. Considering that they can be used for almost 200 times, that you can actually take it off whenever you want, I think this is definitely worth it. For a very limited time only, we are going to be selling our very own magnetic eyelash at only $49.90 because I super love them and I want you to try it out as well. Before I go, I'm gonna show you how do I take it off. So how do you take it off? Very easy. All you need to do is using a twisting motion. Just twist and twist and it comes off very easy. So hope you enjoyed my video and see you next time.